Can you imagine an average studying guy becoming the topper of the class? Yes, I became topper of my class by using that one secret technique. This video is all about how I became the topper of my class by using the law of attraction. You too can become successful in any field of your life if you wish to. Please do follow the video till the end to know the simple steps which are involved in the law of attraction. Do share the video with each and every one of your friends so that they can become successful in their lives too. Hi friends, I am Adarsh MG from Wisdom World and I welcome you all to your own world of wisdom. Long ago, so long ago, nobody knew how long ago, I did my grade 10th and sorry, don't give me that puzzled look. I just did it few years back and I have one of my friend Srivatsa who used to be good in studies, good with sports and good with all the co-curricular activities. He used to get all the attention and recognition from all the faculties and he became favorite of all. While I, on the other side, was not good with studies, neither with sports, nor with my co-curricular activities. Nobody used to give a shit about me. If you had any such friends who were multifaceted, do share the video and remind them about their childhood. My friend used to participate in each and every event and he used to get all the medals and rewards and he used to collect it from all the delegates in the functions. I used to feel jealous about him. Of course, now we are good friends. I was always fascinated about getting up on the stage and collecting the rewards. But I wasn't good at anything. I never showed up my talent. During the beginning of my 10th standard, I got to know that 586 out of 625 was the world record which was set 32 years back from my batch, and I felt breaking that record would be rewarding and it would be ever cherishable. I took this as a challenge. My friend used to get a lot of rewards in all the events, so these small things piled up in my brain, and with a sense of jealous and with a sense of frustration on that particular day, I committed one thing. I would beat my competitor and I would become topper of my school by breaking that old record of 586 at least by 1 mark. So now I made my goal clear and I started to plan, and once I have clear plan, then I had action plans and I used to study each and every day and I became so studious and regular with all my studies. Whenever I see my friend, I used to remind myself that I should beat this guy. And every day and morning, I used to affirm myself that I would become the topper with at least 1 mark more than that of the world record. I used to work hard each and every day. My thought turned into the feeling and then feelings were accompanied with actions. I became so hardworking and I used to read a lot of my books every day. Sometimes I used to become the topper in my class test and sometimes my friend used to become the topper in my class test. We used to shift our designations, and after that hard work and struggle, we faced our final examination. We felt very free after completing our exams, as we can say that public exams, we have a positive pressure from society and from our parents. And exactly after 1 month, the judgment day, the result came. We had no smartphones that time and I went to the nearest cyber and I got to know that one of my commitment came true. I scored 1 marks more than that of the old record. I got exactly 587 out of 586. But now the excitement and nervousness is all about, am I the topper or my friend has scored more than that of mine? So the next day we got the result sheet to our school and finally with all the grace I became the topper. I worked hard, I tried, I screwed, I cried, I thrived and finally I succeeded. I'm not telling this to boost myself. I'm just telling what was the process involved in my journey to become topper. Before moving on to the 3 simple steps involved in law of attraction which was used by me, if you are liking the video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe the channel and do let me know your feedbacks. I was 16-year-old guy and I didn't know how the law of attraction works. But I have 3 steps which can help anybody who are willing to achieve anything in their life. the first step is we have to ask universe what we want. What I mean by asking the universe is you have to be clear about your vision and your goal. Once you have the clarity of your vision and goal, you know what you wanted in your life and you know why you wanted that particular in your life. By asking the universe, you are committing to your goal and you are committing yourself that you would achieve that particular goal. Stating your vision and asking universe about your goal is the foundation of the dream you building. The second step is to believe in your vision. By asking the universe, you know what you wanted to do to become successful and why you wanted to become successful. Now it's the stage when how you are going to be successful. You have a set of actions and set of rules to follow each and every day, and sometimes the result will not be on your side, it will be away from you. So in that time you have to have a strong belief in yourself. You have to connect your action and thoughts with emotion. Emotions are nothing but energy in motion. So whenever you attach emotion with yourself, you will become more passionate and you will push yourself to success irrespective of the result you are having. You will push yourself to the ultimate goal every day in and day out. Once you have a clear vision and faith in your action, as the people say, every tree will bear the fruit if it is nurtured properly. You have the work and you have the faith. Finally, you will receive what the success is intended to you. Let me relate this with my journey of becoming the topper. First, I know what is my goal and I committed two things. I have to become topper and I should break the world record of my school. And I used to put my effort day in and day out. Sometimes I used to be the top, sometimes he used to be the top in my school exams. But I never lost the faith. I believed in the process and I believed in my ultimate goal, that is my public exam. And once I have my belief and I have my work, now the result day, I finally became topper of my school. A sense of joy and achievement in me. I became the topic of discussion in everyone's home. As a 16-year-old guy, I didn't know what is law of attraction, but the law of attraction is the law of nature. If you know how to use it, it can work to your favor. If you don't know, you will end up your life in misery. I'm saying how you can become successful in whatever the field by applying the three simple steps in law of attraction, that is ask, believe and receive. I'm not saying everybody should become topper, but everybody can successful in their own field. As Napoleon Hill rightly says about the law of attraction, what mind can conceive and believe it can achieve. If you want many such videos related to law of attraction, the power of subconscious mind, the affirmation, the manifestation and reprogramming the mind, and if you want any success stories of law of attraction, please let me know in the comment section. And I am curious to know how law of attraction helped you, how you made your life with the help of law of attraction. Do let me know in the comment section. Until we meet next time, stay safe, keep smiling, keep dreaming, keep affirming, and let's spread the wisdom together.